Chanxan Laser, established in 2012, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of laser cutting machine, laser marking machine. We are located in Suzhou, backyard of Shanghai, with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Keep researching and techniques developing is our technical team goal. Till now, we've got more than 20 government patents. Each single machine must be age testing at least 24 to 48 hours before exporting. CPDT has 32 machines, mainly for testing laser parts quality. Most machines keep working for 24 hours. Engineer department control easy happening problems when machine production. Thanks for all Chanxan members hardworking. Our laser machines sold to most countries of whole world. End of 2016. Vietnam branch was founded. Office and warehouse, they mainly supply immediately machine and service. Chanxan team is young, enthusiasm, responsible. We are always ready for supplying you the best quality laser machines, the best after-sales service. We are from Chanxan Laser. We love the simple, always warmest family. We feel comfortable, even when the hardest situation, because when you are looking back, always have the kindest teams back your side, giving strongest support. We like working here. We willing fighting together with each Chanxan members.